Hey y'all, welcome to my channel and happy holidays. If you haven't been here before, my name's Melissa. Today what we're going to do is we're just going to be playing with some stuff that I got in my Boxycharm Premium and Boxy Luxe this month. I didn't do an unboxing, but I'm just going to do kind of a try on and get ready with me style. I'm getting ready for a little Christmas gathering with my mom, my dad, and my brother, his family, and my other brother and his wife. So, and all my kids and my husband. So we're just gonna get together and have a little fun. So I'm getting ready for that. So if you want to see the look that I come up with and get ready with me with some Boxycharm items, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to take off my glasses, and the first thing that I got in my Boxycharm, I can't remember which one, is a Viseart palette. So I'm going to use this as my main little eyeshadow look, and then I'm going to use a Super Shock shadow. I also got some crown brushes in the premium box, and also a Luxie brushes in the Boxy Luxe. So I'm going to be using some of these, a mixture. Alright, so I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to put it in my crease. That's my transition shade. Now I'm going to go into the shade next to it, and I'm going to put that in my outer corner, a little bit in my outer crease. I'm using the same brush I did before. They don't have numbers. It's just a flat, fluffy brush like the Sigma E25. I'm just taking a blending brush and I'm going to go over my edges up here. Make sure they're all blended. Alright, and now I'm taking like a pencil brush and I'm going to go into this chocolate brown shade, and I'm going to put that in my outer corner to deepen it up. Got a little bit of fallout with that. And I'm going to take the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Sailor. It's just kind of a beigey, shimmery shade. And I'm taking the Luxie 211. It says a concealer brush, but we're going to see if we can't use this to put on some Super Shock Shadow on my lid. I'm taking a cotton round with some micellar water, and I'm going to clean up my edges real quick. Alright, I'm putting on a little bit of 4th Ray Strawberry and Papaya Face Milk. I'm just trying to hydrate a little bit. And I'm going to use my favorite foundation, the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation in Mont Blanc. I'm going to dot that on my face. Blend that out with my BK Beauty 101 brush. Oh, so if you didn't notice, I got my hair cut yesterday and then we dyed it last night. My grays were showing too bad. Alright, and now I'm taking my favorite concealer, or one of my favorite concealers, the Dose of Color Mature Hue Concealer in Light. And I'm going to dot this under my eye. And I'm going to blend that out with my concealer brush. I need to wash all my brushes. And I just used my number 7 Lift and Illuminate powder in light just to set that concealer. Alright, so we have a, hold on. We have a Lucky Glow Bronze and Highlight Palette by True and Luscious. I'm not sure, but that's what it looks like. And I'm going to use this one to bronze up my face. See what that looks like. Alright, that's looking good. Now I'm going to go into this Royal Flush blush. And I'm going to put that on my cheeks. That's a pretty color. And I'm going to take Heaven Sent right here. And I'm going to put that on the high points of my face. Looks really pretty. My camera cut off. I'm not sure exactly where it cut off, but I'm going to go underneath my lower lash line with this chocolate brown. I'm going to go in with this LA Girl Pastel Dream Auto Liner in Marshmallow. It's just a white liner. And I'm going to put that in my waterline real quick. Just to brighten it up a little bit. And I'm going to take that same highlight and I'm going to put it on my inner corner real quick. And I'm going to hop off here, throw on some Thrive Cosmetics mascara, and I'll be right back. And for lips, I have Sol de Janeiro Keep It Rio. It's the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Capicua Lip Butter. And I'm going to put that on my lips. Maybe it'll moisturize my lips.
What kind of wrench you talking about? Oh, that's a wrench.
I'm going to spray some Milani Fruit Fetish Make It Last. Alright, well this is the final look using some of my Boxycharm products. I really enjoyed everything that I used. The Viseart was really pigmented. It blended well, just beautiful shadows. The brushes did great. I enjoyed all the brushes that I used. The lip feels really good on. I have another one too, a different color, but and this palette, the True and Luscious Lucky Glow, I think it did really great with the blush and bronzer, and it did what I needed it to, and it was really pretty. So I really enjoyed the look that I came up with. I hope you enjoyed the look and the video. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me today. I hope you are staying happy, staying healthy, taking care of yourselves, and I hope you have a great rest of the day and a happy holidays. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.